Good Sunday evening, everyone. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. I had an absolutely fabulous weekend. I have gotten so many wonderful comments and compliments from all of you that I just feel so blessed. And again, like always, I thank you from the bottom of my heart. You honestly know how to put a smile on my face, and I hope I can do the same for you as much as possible. Anyway, so tonight I'm going to, okay, so this is how we're going to get started. I have a wonderful, wonderful friend, and you all know her. She's in our group, and by the way, guys, the group to be in is Resin Artists Without Borders. That is our new and wonderful group, and it's doing fabulous, and so are all the wonderful people in it. One of the wonderful people in it is my friend Patricia, who is Mighty Cat Creations. Look her up, guys. She makes amazing jewelry. This set, these are beautiful stones, and I know I should know the name of them, but I don't. She will tell you. This set I had asked for, and she made for me. It is just beautiful, and it will go casual. It would go in a beautiful black dress. Wouldn't that be pretty in a black dress? And I do own a lot of black dresses, so just gorgeous. It would go with almost anything. She also made, I got her to make, excuse me, I got her to make a set for my oldest daughter and a set of earrings for my middle daughter, my youngest daughter. My middle daughter is not a jewelry person. And we were talking, Patricia and I, about, how I will give them to them as a gift. And she came up with the idea of a box, and I said, that's fabulous. And I have two beautiful wood boxes. So I'm going to resin the lids of them tonight with you and hope they turn out nice. And I have done a Christmas tree that I just clear coated, and then I'm going to add some bling. And the bling that I'm adding are the little tiny bling bling that Donna made up with my glitters. So these are going on the Christmas tree that I made. Okay, so let's get started. Excuse me, you're gonna have to forgive me. I'll try to control it, but when I babysat the kids last weekend, they both had colds. I'm not complaining. I don't mind at all. I love my grandbabies, and spending time with them is very important to me. Okay, so the colors we're going to use are on these two wooden boxes, and I've taped them all up to make sure that they are completely protected. I taped the inside so that, oh, wrong side, so the resin won't close it shut. The colors we're using, guys, really seriously forgive me, but I'm not going to stop working because I have a cold. It's just a cold. And you're just going to hopefully forgive my coughing. Okay, so here we go. We're using winter white. We are using the platinum. It's now platinum silver. It was platinum blonde. It's now platinum silver. And we are using what this is. This is the last of my U Resins Cherry Blossom. And I mixed our freshwater pearl in it to get a nice shimmer, because the cherry blossom is a flat. It's beautiful, but no shimmer. So I added freshwater pearl. You can add freshwater pearl, guys, to any color It's not going to change the color, but it will add some shimmer to your piece. And then we're going to add some bling. So, okay, let's get started. Let's bring you over a little bit so you can definitely see. I'm pouring the white over top of the whole works, making sure my sides are covered. Okay, so today I had a wonderful customer come. He lives just in Collingwood, and which is about an hour from us, an hour and a half from us. And he was up in the area visiting his mother, so him and his wife came to see me, and he showed me the beautiful, beautiful boards, cutting boards that he's been making out of wood, and they're gorgeous, and he wants to start learning how to resin them. So he was here with me today, him and his wife. We had a nice visit. I sent him home with pigments and resin, and away he's gonna go. But he gave me the most wonderful compliment about always watching my videos and all that. But what was really funny is that his wife and I, we got talking. He said, oh, I read on your page that you're from Toronto. And he says, whereabouts? And I said, I grew up in Leaside. And she said, oh my goodness, so did I. And we went to different public schools, but we went to the same high school, but graduated on different years. So, but it was so funny, such a small world we are in. We both grew up in Toronto, in Leaside in Toronto, so that was really cool. Really cool. It was so nice meeting them. Okay, guys, so I'm going to leave that. I'm leaving some in the container because, as you can see, it's not wanting to completely cover the edges right now. So I'm going to add my pink, and I'm just going to do a couple of lines of the pink. And now I'm going to add some of the silver. And then I'm going to swipe. And if this doesn't work, that's okay, because I've got more of everything that I can just wipe it off. So I'm taking my little beads, the bead mesh that I had gotten, and I am going to try swiping. Okay, I'm using the wrong side, no? There we go. Just swipe in any direction you want to take it. And we'll do the same over here. Bring it down the sides a bit with the swipe. I'd like to add a little bit of color there. Swipe up there. Doing well, doing well, doing well. Okay, so now I'm going to just give it a little bit touch of the torch and see if we can bring out any nice little tiny cells on these pieces, and that's exactly what's happening. Little small little cells, which is perfect for these pieces. And I actually think I like the wood showing through a bit, but we'll come back to it and see what I think. We'll leave it for now, let these cells spread a bit, and I'll bring you over here to the Christmas tree that I did It has been spray painted gold, and then over top of the gold, or yeah, the gold spray paint, I did a green and gold swirl underneath. And then I put my gold, hold on, my gold glitter, which in the fine is antique gold, all over the whole piece. So you can just see it's almost holographic. The glitter changes colors, but you can just see the design a bit underneath. So this has been clear coated because what I see a little sticky something in there. So let's get a bit more clear to fill that spot in. Everything's good, everything's good. Okay, so now I'm taking off these gloves. I've got another pair in my apron over here, which I forgot to put back on, but I wanted you to see the necklace that Patricia made me. Okay, so I'm going to grab some of these little resin beads, and I'm just going to add them. Oops. Wherever I feel randomly like adding them. And this is what I will do all evening, but I don't want to bore you to death. So just so you get an idea, these are the beautiful, beautiful beads that were made, little pyramids by Donna and little circles. I'm going to do the whole piece, and tomorrow when it's cured, you will see. So let's come back over here because I am going to leave the sides, but I'm also going to add some bling. So I'm going to add it right here and make them both look like flowers on these little tiny jewelry boxes. And these are just colored and clear stones. I ran out of one. I need another one that I've been that I'm going to be using. And I got these at Michael's, and they look like this. It's a combination of peach and very light pink and clear stones. So there's my oldest daughter's jewelry box, all done. Yeah, I do like the wood showing through. Okay, so now we're going to do Cassandra, my middle daughter, or youngest daughter. That's what happens when you have so many kids. And they're all girls. Their names all get mixed up into one. I even call my grandbaby, Anna Rain, I call her Mandy, Cassie, Nikki, before I get it straight. Damn. Okay, that one's going to have to go because it's covered on the other side. Okay, so you get the idea that I'm just going around a bigger, these ones are pearls, half pearls, not real pearls, half pearls that are representing the petals. And there we go. There we go. So they're both done. So come on down and I'll show you. So now I'm going to use the rest of the resin in a mold, but These are the boxes. This little one is for Cassandra, and this bigger one is for Amanda. And I can say this, tell you all about it, because they don't watch my videos. They get to see me do art whenever they want, so. Okay, so guys, I'm going to do the rest of this tree, because you'll be bored to death if you sat and watched me put each one of these little beads on. But I just wanted to come on and thank you guys for supporting me and all the wonderful, nice things that every one of you says. You guys are my strength, and I just adore you all, and I appreciate every one of you, and I hope I give you back half as much as you give me. And that being said, tomorrow's Monday. I'm sorry, really I am, but you can't have a weekend every day as much as we'd love to. Okay, guys, you have a great evening and have a good Monday. Thanks for joining me.